Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another figure review. Today we'll be taking a look at the Godzilla vs. Kong Monsterverse mini figure lineup. So this line has come out here in Canada, and it has 6 figures in total. Kind of wishing it had Mechagodzilla, but you can see here it's got the Hellhawk, the Skullcrawler, Godzilla, Kong, the Behemoth, and the Warbat. These are like scaled down kind of figures of their larger counterparts, especially like the Warbat. You can see the kind of body plan there is very reminiscent of the larger scaled figures, but we get completely new species like the Hellhawk and the Behemoth, which is really neat. I think this might be our first time seeing it in Playmates. I think the brand is Playmates lineup, so hopefully we get a larger scale figure of that guy. We'll take a closer look at the Behemoth. I'll be keeping this lineup in package. I want to hang them up on the wall because they look super cute, but I found another Godzilla that I'll be taking out of package that we can look at. So you can see the tusks on the Behemoth have some nice detail on them. They've got a darker wash that really highlights the details, like the stuff hanging off of them. It's got a yellow eye. The head is a separate piece that was obviously molded or attached on there because you can see the seam right there. But you can see it's got very gorilla-like forearms and stance. It's just a nice solid figure to have in this miniature scale. We have the Warbat. This figure is very thin and bendable actually, but it comes with this little stand that you can clip the body onto so it stands better, and it's got some nice eye detail there. They managed to paint the eye because that's a really tiny head. No other paint details besides the wings, but you can see the wings are pretty cool. They spray out from the sides, and then there's a little bit of color on the spikes going down. And then we've got Kong. They actually added a lot of paint to this figure. You can see the teeth and the inside of the mouth are painted. The eyes are actually orange, and I don't know if you can see, but it's got pupils in there. That's pretty neat. And then it's got that big scratch on the chest, and Kong's looking ready to beat down. He's got his fist clenched, and he's in kind of like a power stance, but it's not too action ready like the rest of them. This guy's reared up to attack. This one's like squat down, I guess. But yeah, Godzilla and Kong are in kind of these neutral positions, which is a little unfortunate, but that's fine. So Kong's pretty cool. I think it's got the most paint detail besides the Skullcrawler. And then Godzilla here also has mouth paint, teeth paint, and eye paint. Unlike the Warbat and the Skullcrawler, which lack mouth or teeth paint whatsoever. But somehow they managed to fit it into Godzilla's tiny head. So we'll remove Godzilla from his packaging. Oh, oof. Let's open this one actually. Let's see. Oh, they got little numbers on the feet too. Okay. There we go. I kind of like how the packaging has the name on the front, just kind of embedded on there. And there we got little Godzilla out of the package. Look at his little face. Cute. Okay. So we'll toss that off to the side. So Godzilla looks like just a scaled down version of the larger toy of it, because you can see that's where the tail articulation would be, and the arms and legs are in the same position as the larger posable figures. But there's some nice paint detail, or just paint in general, on the spines or the plates on the back. They've got this kind of light blue airbrush or light brush on it. And of course these figures aren't in scale because, like, look at Godzilla compared to the Hellhawk, but they're close enough. well, not that guy, that guy's tiny as heck, but this would be in scale a lot better to the larger figures. I mean, obviously it's way too big still, but it's cool that we get a smaller figure of a smaller animal. So next we have the Skullcrawler. This guy is one of my favorites, and I'm glad that it made it into another figure form. So it's very squiggly looking. It's looks like it's ready to attack. It's in this kind of low down crouch position, maybe gonna launch at someone, but it's got these yellow paint details on the back. It's got that nice red down to the tail, and that kind of patch in front of the eye, kind of where it gets its name. The detail there is just a black dot. That's not its actual eye. I think its actual eye is like back here, but it's cool that they included that. And then for the Hellhawk, this guy's got red eyes. You can see the beak's colored, and there's some nice details on the back of this figure as well. The claws are painted, surprisingly, and you can see there's some spikes jutting out of the back. And the wings, you can see there's even joints, the finger joints there. And then the tail kind of ends in this bony protrusion, and it's got its legs kind of bent. And this armor, maybe it's skin folds on the chest. Very ugly looking creature. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So there we have it. I'm gonna try and find the Behemoth and Kong to have an out of package set. But so far, this is a pretty cool lineup. Hopefully it comes out elsewhere. Apparently it's out in Korea and now officially Canada, so that's pretty neat. There we go. And then hopefully down the line they actually make more of these figures. I'd love to see a Mechagodzilla and maybe like the Mudo or whatever, and the rest of the monsters seen, because if we got Behemoth, might as well get the rest of them, right? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, slight unboxing. I think I only unboxed that guy. But this, yeah, review video, and I'll make sure to do another one when I pick up another set of these two. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.